Hi, I'm Alyssa Matosino from Hino, Pasig. Thank you, Miss Tony. I love and enjoy 3-day sales executive masterclass training because it helped me yung simple gesture po kailangan maayos. Dati po hindi ko pinapansin yun. And now, na confident na po akong mag-ayos ng sarili and then oh, I love your discussion po with us. Thank you, ma'am.